Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to talk about how video production is in two distinct roles. The on-camera role, involving content creation, and the behind-the-scenes role, which involves video editing. Some of my students have an interest in either of these roles, or both, which is great. Even if your primary focus is in one of these distinct roles, either on camera or behind the scenes, having a comprehensive understanding of both roles is highly beneficial since they are interconnected in the video production process. If your primary role is the video editor, it's good to understand the video production process for the on-camera creator so that you can guide them and instruct them on the content that you need. If you are primarily the on-camera role, it's important for you to understand the editing process behind the scenes so that you know what type of content to record and provide to your editor. Check out free resources such as my top 5 editing tips, which you can find on my website, CaseySlate.com. Just click on the link that says send me my free guide. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button down below. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, friends. See you next time. Bye.